Morning, everybody. It's a breezy Friday morning here. You would think that it would keep the bugs away, but not. I was just down in the garden and the mosquitoes were getting me. Probably because it rained overnight and they're really frisky. But anyway, we're heading out to the trail cam to change the memory card. So I thought I'd just do a short video, just short hike video, just for like a Sunday Funday video. Despite this nice wind, the bugs are everywhere out here. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm heading back to the city tomorrow, Saturday, and I wanted to have a video up for Sunday. So I'll film this today, get it edited, and get it up. These poor girls. Look at all these black raspberry plants. Nice. Bugs and foliage is why we don't do a lot of hikes these days. Jeez. What you eating? Grass? So the cabin's just around the corner over there. We might be about 100 meters away. And the camera's just over here. It's the chippy. Where is it? Lots of blueberry plants, but haven't seen very many blueberries. She's just a swarm of deer flies. The black raspberries ripening on here. Tons of plants like this around. There's going to be tons of them this year. The camera's just over here, and I'm pointing it this way because there's so much elk sign over this way. But I don't see any fresh, like elk poop or anything like that. I'm going to look around a little bit longer. Wild animal. Get in there. There's a few ripening right in that spot. It's not bad. It's coming along. Willow's like a tank running around here. She'll bowl you over if you're not paying attention. Or if she's not. What do you got there? When Alicia and I are hiking together, she likes to follow my exact footsteps because she figures it's safe. Except I like to walk on rocks just to see if they'll move. And that kind of perturbs her a little bit. Been real hot this week, like over 30 every day, and more, like in the mid 40s with the humidity, feels like. So today is really nice. It's a really nice change, and that's why I'm able to get out here with my bug jacket. Even though it's stuffy, it's not nearly as hot, and there's a good wind going, which is nice. So we're putting up with the bugs just a little bit. Willow! For anybody who wonders why we call this Raspberry Rock, this is it. There's patches like this all over the place. Raspberries and rock. Everywhere. Widow! Well, where were you? Did you go back to the cabin? I thought you were the other way. Yeah, you happy? What the? What is it? What'd you find? Blueberries? Let's go. Come on, Willow, let's go. Check your ears. Oh, she's got scabs in her ears where she's been munched on. I got none in there now, little girl. Let's go. Well, we're back. I've checked myself all over for ticks. And I haven't found any, which is good. I checked Willow's ears again for deer flies one last time. This is what I like to see, a nice wet dog. That'll help her keep cool. Yeah. And doggo number 2. You had a good time? Did you have a good time, Junebug? Yeah, you did. You did. Yeah. What a beautiful day. Well, it's a beautiful day to be out here near the cabin. Don't fall over, camera. Ah! There's no bugs anywhere right around the cabin here because it's so windy, which is really nice. So we could just stay out here all day long if we wanted to. I went through all the pictures on the trail cam card. Thousands and thousands of pictures of wind-blown foliage was all there was. There was nothing on there, no animals on there. So I'm gonna think about where else to put that trail cam. There's a deer run about another 7,500 meters past where that camera is, where probably be a better spot. I was hoping to catch some elk up on the rock there. Look at this. This is awesome. I can tell the camera's shaking a bit though, so not too awesome. Where'd you get down? Where'd you get here? Anyway, guys, I'll see you all next week, I guess. Don't forget to do all that wonderful stuff that you know what to do. Click like, comment, and crap. And we'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.